Welcome to the Keyboard Deck Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Lady Madonna by the Beatles, which was released as a single in 1968. This is classic British pop, though the roots are from early R&B and rock and roll. Writing credits are given as Lennon and McCartney, though it's widely accepted that Paul McCartney is the main writer for this song. The recording is dominated by a bluesy driving piano, which provides the main character. And incidentally, the saxophone was played by the British jazz club owner, Ronnie Scott. The song is in the key of A. As usual, you should be able to find a song arrangement and basic chord sheet in the description box below. Here's how I would play it.